which is 5 travel tips of the week. So do you want to lead us off in this? Okay, listen, I'm never sending you the script again. Never sending you the script.
Wait.
Oh my God, I can see this.
Segment 3.
So good.
Oh my God, this is so you take tip 1.
Yeah.
Just a tip.
Pack.
There we go. Just a tip, babe. Just a tip.
Oh, yes. I do this a lot. So it says pack by outfit system, not by random items. So this is amazing. So basically, if you're packing to build outfits and all sorts of that, you're going to end up having more pieces. So here, and I have to say this, I haven't done this as much as lately, but I tried to do it the best as I can the last time I travel. But each day I say, this is what I'm wearing this day, this day, this day, this day. But what I also do is I try to pick a color theme. What does that mean? I'll do like more neutral. So then that way I can cross my outfits. So I may be able to use the pants again with another top or a jacket so that I'm not bringing as many outfits. So I really try to do like a theme. And then I always like this, and the reason why I started doing this, not thinking that it was even a thing, but 30 years ago when I was traveling through Europe, my best friend and I would travel, and we only would bring a carry-on each, and we would be gone up to 3 months, maybe even 4 months, so at a time. So what
you wash your clothes?
Yeah, we would wash them. So we would find like we would try to get like a couple bottles of wine, some food, and we would do like a laundry day. We even make a pit stop at my aunt's house in Belgium and do laundry. But the reason why I was saying this is we would say pick neutral colors. So we would also cross color our outfits so that we wouldn't wear this. We didn't look like we were wearing the same outfits in the same pictures. So I only brought like maybe a couple pairs of jeans and a few shirts, and then the same thing, and we would try to cross.
This is really a thing.
Yes.
So your next trip, you should not pack your camouflage.
No.
Not my pink camouflage.
But so you, that way, and then you try to pick like 1 or 2 shoes. Like I try to do like a little sneaker. I'll do like a cute sandal.
Well, I have a question for you.
And I try to do a wedge. That's like my going out. And Europe is not like, we're not clubbing. It's not Miami. So it's a little different.
So you do put 3 pairs of shoes?
I do. A 3 is a sneaker.
Because I take 2 pairs of shoes.
I know, but you're also a guy. It's a little different, you know?
What are your 2 pairs?
Like sneakers and then like nice sneakers. Like the sneakers that I could go out. Because I don't.
Too now, because I don't wear it.
Yeah, I don't like, I'm not going to wear formal shoes. Like
I do 3. What do you do?
go out with like nice, like, you know, cool hands or whatever. You know what I mean? Like
I'll do 2 sneakers and maybe like a easy sandal. A flat sneaker for sure. And it depends, like a wedge or heel. It depends where I'm going, what I'm doing. But I think what gets me the most is when you're going somewhere where you have boots. Because I love.
And you can't pack.
There's a booty. There's a mid-calf. There's a over.
And they take up space. Yes. Wow. So what I do is if I'm bringing boots, I will use it to, I stick clothes in there.
Or hats you put, if you bring any hats.
Put in there.
Inside the little.
So they don't get bent.
It's phenomenal. Being a woman's insane. I love it. I love it.
Better with kids. Like when I build out I do it day by day.
Like you coordinate your kids' outfit like day by day?
Yeah, day by day. And then they have something, and if they don't, it is not necessarily they have to wear it on this day, but they have an outfit for every single day.
So before cubes, I used to do big Ziploc bags.
Yes. Well, I was going to say, added to your Amazon store, we just used, because we went skiing, we used the vacuum seal bag.
How was that?
Amazing. Like, you could fit so much.
Was your bag heavy? That's my only thing.
No.
I mean, it's sucking out the air.
Well, my husband ordered the ones from Temu.
Oh.
It doesn't work. I'm like, why? I was like, babe, I'm going to try.
It didn't suck in the whole
I
place.
shared the link of the ones we use. It's amazing. And then, because you have to travel with it, the little pump, it's really small, so it's perfect. Like if it's in your backpack.
Okay, yes.
Oh, I need that.
I could go right next to my CPAP machine.
The travel CPAP machine.
Yeah, I got a travel one.
I will say though, when we went to Angola, we were also going to Lisbon and Paris. So we went was for Christmas. In Angola, it's summer during Christmas. In Paris and Lisbon was winter. So we had to pack for winter and summer.
Oh my God, that's
a lot. You needed those bags. I was saying, I was like, let me get it for Temu. I'm like, no.
I don't get anything from Temu.
No, I don't know.
No, that's like desperation.
Yeah.
Or what's the other one? Alibaba?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the other
Yeah, I'm not getting anyone Molly, but all right. So you want to do the second one, or you, Julie? Since I want you to be more interactive.
always call me out
Because you're like focus on something else.
Download the destination-specific apps before you leave. So Condé Nast Traveler Editors highlights the value of downloading local transport, taxi, train, and delivery apps before arrival. It saves time, stress, and data scrambling when you land. Or you can use our app where everything's all in one place.
Like that. Shameless plug alert. I'm gonna put a little graphic. Shameless plug.
So it's really cool because we basically have, our trains, flights, everything. It's all in real time. Hotels all in one place instead of you having like an app for this, an app for that. Everything's all in one place. That's how we do it. That's how we book.
Yeah, that's where you gotta book it. That's where you gotta book it. All right, Barbie, you're next.
Tip number 3. Condé Nast says the ideal scenario is for you to pack an actual meal for your travel day and not just snacks. I think this could get a little sticky, but
Like literally, or like you can afford it?
I think so.
for example, I usually travel early mornings, so I will do like overnight oats and pack that. Oh, I do that too. No, it's just that it keeps you full for a long time. As far as meals, I'm really into like smelly food. I hate people with smelly food on the plane, so I try to avoid that. So I'll do like a sandwich or a wrap, ham and cheese, or like a little charcuterie board. And now there's so many of the little carry boxes that you could do.
And they have the little compartment.
Yeah, so boxes. Yeah. So it's definitely easier as that. And when I travel with my family, the same. I'll do little wraps, ham and cheese sandwiches. Going out of Miami, of the U.S., apples, strawberries, grapes, cheese, stuff like that. Obviously, coming in when you're going through customs, some countries don't allow that. And I suggest you throw it out because they will tackle you down. It's hard to bring back, but when you're leaving from the United States, I highly recommend it because the food, 1, is not the best, and 2, is so expensive. It's so expensive.
Yeah.
I will say though, especially traveling with kids, I always, because we pack our oatmeal in the thermos. Yeah, that's true. And what we do during our trip is that sometimes we'll go and eat somewhere and there's like rice and beans and chicken, which is really, really easy or something like that. So I always try to get something that if the next day we're walking around wherever we are a lot, and sometimes restaurants won't have food really catered to kids.
Yeah.
So I always have something like that packed in whatever we're walking around with, so that if the kids are hungry at any moment, just throw that in there,
That's a great little tip right there.
Yeah, it's been a lifesaver because we've actually been places and we didn't have food, or we went there and didn't like the food, and it's just been a nightmare. When kids don't eat, it's like meltdown.
Yeah. Well, I don't have that problem. My daughter eats like.
Can I get the Diablo pasta salad?
Yeah.
That's
with lobster
$75. You don't mind? We could do that, right?
Yeah.
It's fucking horrible. Like I want that kid that I give him like apple slicer. And,
Yeah.
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 It's crazy. Wait till they get older.
Can I have the lobster ravioli?
All right, babe, you're next.
All right. Clean your home before you leave.
That's
Yeah.
you're right. I just wait.
I will say we do try to do this. I really do try to semi-organize when I come home. I am the worst when I come home from packing. I don't unpack. Okay, so I came home from 2 weeks ago from Orlando, and today I just unpacked. And that was spring break 2 weeks ago. I'm the worst. So I believe in cleaning your home before you leave. It is something.
And cleaning when you arrive too. It's nice. Like you just pack it. Just put it away.
But I don't pack.
Come on.
Not unpack.
Guys.
If I don't have
Wait, hold on. I'm sorry.
I need it to not find it's okay.
See, I hate that. Because her fucking luggage is out and her clothes is all over. Like, I come home from a trip, no joke, ask her. I open it up, throw everything in the wash, clean it, dry it, fold it, and by the time I sleep, all my clothes is put away. I cannot.
I was a serial not unpacking when I was home. I used to be like that all the time. But I would say as of lately, I've been similar. I was just like, I don't have to wash all this stuff. I just throw it all out and then I'm sick. But then it might stay in the laundry bag for like a day or two. So
That's like,
I have my carry-on when I travel on my own. It's like the bigger one when I travel with my family, and both already have a preset bag with like all of my items, my facial stuff.
Yeah, like an extra set.
Yeah.
Yes, I have that.
3.
Yes.
So I don't have to pack when I'm traveling.
Yes, I do that. I have that.
Yeah.
I have like my little travel tote. And then I'll like just take out, like if I just have like contacts on it, I zip it up because I know that I have everything in there the next time. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's weird. Okay, yeah, I'll take this one. Use a lightweight overflow bag for the return trip.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. I actually saw a tip there that was kind of like extreme. They're like, oh, take clothes that you really don't care for anymore. So then when you travel and you use it, you just throw it away and then you just,
I've left sneakers. I left sneakers in Morocco. I've left sneakers and
It's
I left
crazy. It was
boots
a great
in Italy at an Airbnb. And like, it's like, you left your boots here. I'm like, yes, I did that on purpose.
No, I never done that. I usually
and I like, I'm like,
in America and even in the hotel. And usually the people that tend to your room, like they keep it like jeans or a jacket. I'm done it.
like it's just get rid of it. You need to get rid of stuff. You might as well get rid of it. Go to Morocco and just leave it in the desert.
Why am I taking it back? That's like a space for a wine bottle, like when you're in Chile.
Oh, no. You're going to Chile?
If I rented it from Nuuly. Oh, no, yeah, you can't. You can't get it back.
True.
You rented it from Nuuly. So I don't really own winter clothes because we live in Miami. Like, why?
Yeah.
Why am I going to take up that space?
So she rents her clothes.
I rent my clothes.
What do you mean you rent your clothes?
I rent my clothes.
What do you mean you rent your clothes?
Like, okay, so skiing. Do I need a key? I don't need a ski.
Wait. You rent your clothes.
No, she rents someone else's clothes for her.
So so outfits that people fart in and God knows what else they do, and you use that clothes.
But she washes it. No, I don't wash it. They wash it.
Just so they say. Now, I get the logic, and I think it's logic. I don't know, but like people are weird. And
No, but a lot of times they come with brand new price tags. They're brand new.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Where do you rent this?
Nuuly. It's the sister company for Anthropology and Free People.
Okay, that's a good tip.
You know, we should.
No, honestly, like the winter shit, like the 300.
We should just promote so much stuff here.
I know. I know. Guys, I just come up with the weird strip.
I have it.
So that's good though. That's
Do
a
you
good.
know what I fly with is the Spanx Air Essentials.
Me too.
Those are my, So I have two of them. 2 jumpers. So it's
like it's a sweater and a.
so they're separate.
Yeah,
I wish I had it separate.
You have the jumper.
I have the jumper.
When you go pee pee.
You have to put all it.
No, you just pull it down here.
Oh no. I don't have that one. I have to take everything. So mine's a zipper
One tap.
and then one off the shoulder.
Wow. There's
You
just.
have to take the whole thing out.
Oh my god.
I just tell you, so many people ask, like, as I'm walking. No,
Wait, and they ask you, oh, I love the way you feel. No, like what? Like what do they ask?
Women are like, is that the Spanx? Whatever, has a name. Yeah. And I'm like, it is. They're like, I love you, Robert.
Do you realize this is why I love
But I wasn't
Greeks? Because you women
I was in
have
the,
this so
lounge. I was in the lounge in the Amex lounge, and she's like, "Oh my god, look!" And we were twinning. She was wearing the other Air Essential in red, and I had mine in black. Like it's so comfortable.
Yeah, Spanx stuff is the best.
And this comes like it's like an old school, like with the 2 buttons that you just open it and do you know shit. Like
In the back, it's like
you know those cartoons, like the guy comes out in his PJs. It's like it's not a waddy.
It's not a onesie.
It's a onesie with a hole. It's a onesie with a hole.
No, so it's like it's stretchy. It has what's it called?
Elastic. Okay, good.
Like in the back.
Ooh.
So then it stretches so you can pull it over your booty.
What? So there's a hole.
No.
Okay, I'm fucking confused. Is it a onesie?
Okay, hold on.
That's just
Wait.
I'm gonna wear it next time. I'm gonna wear it next time to our podcast. Okay, this is
we should all wear our
Okay.
This is the stretchy waistband.
Oh, so it's not a body. It's not a bodysuit.
Connected, right? Connected because but the top part, it has like an opening like that.
That's what I'm saying. There's like it's like that.
Back, but this is her back, not her butt. This is her butt.
But then she opens this.
No, you pull it down. Just pull
Okay,
it down.
whatever. Bring it next time.
Okay.
Do a little demonstration.
We should all wear our
Yeah, I'll bring mine.
And
I won't need.
Send us all your stuff.
No, no.
Were we in Paris? We had a layover, and I think it was in Paris, and they had an Air Essentials whole entire store, a whole store of Air Essentials. I was like, this is amazing.
Yeah, I've been so. All right, here he is. He heard Spanx Essentials and he just came over.
Oh no! Why are you showing your butt to everybody?
Because he's trying to demonstrate the hole that Barbie uses. Okay, so I'm gonna segue cats and dogs making out. Pure chaos. Here we go. And he just messing up the whole podcast. There we go.
Okay, you can.
So I mean it is a podcast, so it's audio only. Don't worry about it. You can stay there. That's fine. Look, wait, hold on. Wait.
What do you say?
I'm trying.
Like pretend you're petting him?
Yeah, wait.
No, you're going the wrong.
I can't. It's my Tourette eye. All right. Thank you, Vetter. I appreciate it. So the next one is segment 4.